Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bushnell Voyager telescope. First, let's get it set up. Begin by extending the tripod legs to a comfortable height and securing them tightly. Next, carefully attach the main telescope tube to the mount, making sure it is stable. Don't forget to install the counterweight for balance and connect the fine adjustment cables. Finally, place your lowest power eyepiece into the focuser. This is usually the one with the largest number, like 20 millimeters. Now, let's align your finder scope and achieve a clear focus. During the day, point your main telescope at a distant, stationary object, like a telephone pole, using your lowest power eyepiece. Once centered, look through the finder scope and adjust its screws until the object is also perfectly centered there. This alignment is crucial for finding objects at night. Then, slowly turn the focusing knob until your chosen object comes into sharp view. When you're ready to observe, always begin with your lowest magnification eyepiece. This provides the widest field of view, making it much easier to locate celestial objects. Remember, magnification is determined by dividing your telescope's focal length by the eyepiece's focal length. Once you've found your target, you can then switch to a higher power eyepiece for a more detailed look. Use the fine adjustment controls to smoothly track objects as they drift across your view. Proper care ensures your telescope lasts for many years. For routine cleaning, gently blow away dust from the lenses and mirrors with an air blower or use a soft camel hair brush. If mirrors are very dirty, carefully clean them with distilled water and a tiny drop of mild dish soap. Always wipe the exterior with a soft cloth. When not in use, store your telescope in a dry, dust-free environment, making sure all lens caps are on to protect the optics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.